everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Frenchy, cooking and baking made easy. Yes, I'm here to show you how to make cooking great again. Oui, chef. Just joking. I'm just here to show you how to cure duck breast, duck fillet, and to smoke it. So, quick recipe, quick tips here. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Always check the little more for the full recipe and the details on how to do. So I hope you enjoy and chat to you later. Have a lovely day. Here we go. We got our 4 duck breasts. Look at them. Nice. Make sure they're nice, plump and nice flesh. You gotta check your breast. Make sure you dry them, pat dry them inside out, and we are going to trim them. Remove the excess of fat. We don't need it. In Australia, the duck breasts are quite small. They're about 200-250 grams each. We are going to trim some of the sinew. All that silver skin needs to go. Trim. My dog seems very keen to have some too. Look at this. Up. We remove that flesh, the silver skin, and we are going to prepare our spices. So here I've got star anise, black pepper, cumin seed, and some coriander seed. Little mix, about 5 grams of each in there. And we're just grinding them. You can use a spice grinder if you want, it's much easier. So I'm going to put those spices into the salt. I'm adding here a bit of cumin spices, about 5 grams each, smoky paprika, and a little bit of coriander powder again. Sorry, ginger powder, black pepper, and here I have a mix of 25% white sugar and 75% light brown sugar. Give it a good mix. I'm going to separate that into 2 little containers, and we are going to put the duck breast onto them. Put on the skin first. Give you press hard, give it a good rub. So kosher salt is best because it won't be as salty. If you don't have any, you can always use a table salt for it. However, you're gonna have to spend quite a bit of time to rinse off that salt, as it can get the duck too salty. This is exactly what I do when I cure, and only cure, as I said. If you want to do duck prosciutto, at the end of the video I'm talking about it. I'll leave that for 7 days for duck prosciutto, but for smoking I'm just gonna leave that in the container covered in the fridge for 48 hours. Here they are after 48 hours. You will see they grab some moisture. You can see a bit of a liquid at the bottom. The color has changed. It's nicely cured. I'm going to rinse them quite well, and I will put them on a little smoker. So I'll find this little piece of smoking machine for now. Just give it a try. That was a testing recipe. I haven't done that for years, like 25 years. So I'm quite happy with the result, to be honest. And I smoked them cold smoke for 2 hours and 30 minutes. You can see the color change, a little bit yellowish. And now you are going to see the cut. Look at that. It's so beautiful. Mwah. I think it was a really easy recipe, but if you don't have a smoker and you just want to cure the meat, it's the same principle. I use exactly the same ingredient. I just cure the meat for a little bit longer, probably a week, and you have a perfect cured duck, and you can make a duck prosciutto. How good is that for your little charcuterie board? Charcuterie en français, bien sûr. Bon appétit. See you next time.